guys, and welcome back to this week's video. So we are going to be doing a get unready with me from the beach. This is my bathing suit. Anyway, I'm super sandy, so the first thing we're gonna do is go shower. Okay, now that we completed the shower, we're gonna just start getting dressed, and then we'll do lotion and things like that. This makes me look really small, and yes, I'm very aware neither one of the beds are made. I only am in one of them, and the other person has already left, so I'll make them when I leave. Anyway, but while I was getting dressed, putting lotion on those areas that are like underneath, so shoulders, that type of thing. But then I take this lotion, and this is what I put all over my body. I use an unscented one for the areas underneath, and then putting lotion. Don't forget to do your arms, they're important too. I still need to pack tonight, so I might do that with you guys, we'll see. I have to start making dinner soon. I don't know if I want to wait until after like the sunset because it's our last one or what, but anyway, now that we are all lotioned up, the next step is body oil. This is the one that I use. I like to put these on the points that most people put their fragrance or perfume. Honestly, in my opinion, you don't even need like the dropper full. That much is good for me. Wrists, I just like to tap the wrists like this. Then elbows, and then under like the back of my knees. A little bit on the ankles, and then just a drop on a finger go between, and then I do back of the ears. That is what I do for the body oil. But I'll let this sit for a little bit, and then I'll do deodorant, and then hair. Okay, now it's time for hair. You can even put some of this in your hair. No, normally I think a lot of people put it on their scalp, but I like to just put it a little bit in my ends, putting it on my fingers and just kind of going through some of the ends, because I don't want it to like damage my hair. Then I like to make sure that my part looks good. I do have a natural middle part, but sometimes normally when I wash my hair, it gets all wonky. Alright, and that is basically my like shower routine. I know my hair looks funky right now, but I normally just keep it behind my ears when it's drying. Definitely not the move. It gives you little like dents in your hair, but I just love smelling good. Anyway, this one's for sauce. We also got garlic bread. Preheat in the oven. So we got one. I think this should be good for all of these. Alright, as you can tell, hair is dry and it's late. It's like 11:30 maybe. I need to pack, but we might be waking up super early, so I'm not sure what the plan is for tomorrow. But I need to start packing anyway, so we're gonna do that. Mostly, I just need to fold my clothes. Everything else I can really toss in a bag somewhere, so that's good. This is basically all I have to pack because the rest of it is just the clothes. So I just gotta get this stuff all wrapped up, so. To be honest, I don't feel like folding this. It's in a pile right now. It's all clean. I could just close this and call it a day, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next few weeks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite food is. Bye.